In recent years, the development of autonomous robots has been accelerating at an unprecedented pace. From self-driving cars to drones, these machines are revolutionizing the way we live and work. But what does this mean for society? In this video, we will explore the rise of autonomous robots and their impact on our lives. Autonomous robots are machines that can perform tasks without human intervention. They use sensors, cameras, and algorithms to navigate their environment and make decisions based on the data they collect. These machines are becoming increasingly sophisticated, and their applications are expanding rapidly. The rise of autonomous robots is transforming industries such as transportation, manufacturing, and healthcare. But what does this mean for the future of work? Will robots replace human workers, or will they create new job opportunities? In this video, we will explore the benefits and challenges of autonomous robots and their impact on society. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of autonomous robots. Autonomous robots offer numerous benefits to society. One of the most significant advantages is increased efficiency. These machines can perform tasks faster and more accurately than humans, which can lead to higher productivity and lower costs. In manufacturing, autonomous robots can work around the clock without the need for breaks or rest, which can significantly increase production rates. This can also lead to a reduction in errors and defects, which can improve product quality. In logistics, autonomous robots such as drones can deliver packages faster and more efficiently than traditional delivery methods. This can reduce delivery times and costs, making it easier for businesses to reach customers. In healthcare, autonomous robots can assist doctors and nurses in performing surgeries and other medical procedures. This can lead to better patient outcomes and a reduction in medical errors. In cleaning and maintenance, autonomous robots can clean and maintain buildings more efficiently than humans, which can lead to a reduction in labor costs and a cleaner environment. These are just a few examples of the benefits of autonomous robots. As these machines become more advanced, their applications will continue to expand, leading to even more benefits for society. While autonomous robots offer many benefits, they also present several challenges to society. One of the most significant challenges is the potential for job displacement. As robots become more advanced, they may replace human workers in certain industries, leading to job losses. This can have a significant impact on the economy and society as a whole. It can lead to increased unemployment and income inequality, as well as a shift in the types of jobs available. Another challenge is the potential for robots to malfunction or cause harm. Autonomous robots rely on sensors and algorithms to make decisions, which can lead to errors or unexpected behavior. This can be particularly dangerous in industries such as healthcare or transportation. There are also concerns about the ethical implications of autonomous robots. For example, who is responsible if a robot causes harm? How do we ensure that robots are programmed to act ethically and in line with human values? These are complex issues that require careful consideration and regulation. As the use of autonomous robots becomes more widespread, it is essential that we address these challenges to ensure that they are used safely and responsibly. As the use of autonomous robots becomes more widespread, there is a growing need for regulation to ensure their safe and responsible use. Governments and organizations around the world are working to develop guidelines and standards for the development and deployment of autonomous robots. One of the main areas of focus is safety. Regulations are being developed to ensure that autonomous robots are designed and programmed to operate safely and reliably. This includes requirements for testing and certification before deployment. Another area of focus is ethics. Regulations are being developed to ensure that autonomous robots are programmed to act ethically and in line with human values. This includes requirements for transparency and accountability in the decision-making processes of autonomous robots. Regulations are also being developed to address the potential for job displacement. This includes requirements for companies to provide training and support for workers who may be affected by the introduction of autonomous robots. These regulations are essential to ensure that the benefits of autonomous robots are realized while minimizing the potential risks and challenges. As the technology continues to evolve, it is essential that regulations keep pace to ensure that autonomous robots are used in a way that benefits society as a whole. The rise of autonomous robots is transforming the way we live and work. As these machines become more advanced, their applications will continue to expand, leading to even more benefits and challenges for society. In the future, we can expect to see autonomous robots playing an even more significant role in industries such as transportation, manufacturing, and healthcare. They may also be used in new areas such as space exploration and environmental monitoring. However, as the use of autonomous robots becomes more widespread, it is essential that we address the challenges they present. This includes ensuring that they are used safely and responsibly, and that regulations keep pace with the technology. The future of autonomous robots is exciting, but it is up to us to ensure that they are used in a way that benefits society as a whole. By working together, we can harness the power of these machines to create a better future for all. Thank you for watching this video on the rise of autonomous robots and their impact on society.